across the river to the east. Old Svar Ironhand. You have committed crimes against Skyrim and her people. What say you in your defense? You're going to... I need to ask you to stop. Can't say I've heard of any laws against her. I've got my eye on you.
I worry about the other servants.
That's it.
Look who just completed.
Alright, stop it. So we don't have to edit that much.